Hi everybody, and welcome back to the shop. I'm Mike, and this is Bubba's Workbench. So today we're going to do an unboxing. I was at the Banggood.com website, and I saw a product that to me was extremely innovative and would offer a little bit of efficiency, and of course I'm all about efficiency. Well, it's taken about a month and a half to get it, so I'm very excited to open it. And as I was just stating, I thought it was original, one of a kind, innovative, and then about a week ago, I was looking through the Packard wood turning catalog, and it turns out Sorby makes almost this exact same thing. So basically it's the same, but different. So let's get to the unboxing. Oh, amazing. They put it in boxes for once. Here, we'll open this first box. This will be definite giveaway what the rest will hold. All right. Well, this is your first clue and probably gives a lot away. It's a wood turning tool, of course. This is the handle. And we have here. This is already clues. Okay. What this is a tool handle for holding carbide inserts. See if I can figure out how to do this. And there you have it. Actually, it's a lot better than even the picture looked, which is kind of surprising. What you see in the picture doesn't always seem to be what you end up getting. You buy the tool handle separate, obviously, and then you order these tips individually, whichever one you want. I went ahead and bought every one that they offer. So let's go through those now, and I'll show you all that I got. We've got an amazing handle. I'm actually thoroughly impressed with this. The wood is raw right now, so I'll probably put some kind of finish. I'm kind of surprised they cut the little grooves, but they didn't actually burn into the wood, so I imagine if I wanted to, I could burn in those marks too. Now, what I will tell you that I was immediately impressed by is when you look at this, you know, you see the threading, and from the picture online, I assumed, oh, this is just some pipe. And it turns out, no, this is a solid bar. There's this hole right here. I'm not sure what this is for. What I can only guess it's for is it's a way you could put something in there in case you get your tip on too tight. Here are the 5 carbide inserts that they offer. This is the only 5 they offer. I'm not sure if they're going to get any more. It's all your standard ones. You know, you've got your detailers, your beading tools, you know, where you have the rounded point diamond, and you've got the sharp point. And this is a round one, and this is a small round one. I'm not sure what that size is. I'll put the description, in the description below, I'll put down exactly what sizes these are. This one's your square, that's sharp-sided, I don't know how you say that, versus this one would be what you classically hear as an R2, which just stands for a radius. So this is a radius 2 square. There is a little set screw in here. And what it's going to do is it's going to fit into that notch to keep it from being able to twist. So you put it in, line it up with a notch, and then tighten down your little thumb. I think they did a pretty good job. They might have been able to be a little bit longer, I'm thinking. If you don't have a tight enough grip, you could put your little wrench right in here and then tighten it. Oh yeah, that actually does help. When I bought this, there was a coupon I was able to use. So it may not be the same for you if you go to buy it, but however, I bought all of this for less than $80. This entire setup. Free shipping, no tax. I mean, you can't beat that. The other concern I had is that there are similar tools out there where you have interchangeable inserts, and those ones have just 2 little set screws. And I'd heard some complaints that people said the ends would tend to be a little loose, and that makes the tool absolutely no good. Now, after putting these inserts into this bar, I can tell you right now, there is no movement whatsoever. So I am very confident these are going to perform just as good if this was one solid bar. Enough talking. What we really want to see is how does this perform? Okay, well, there you have it. Hopefully I gave a decent enough demonstration. I do not proclaim myself to be a true wood turner. I'm learning. I'm very much a beginner. But I was able to sufficiently test, I think, each one of these to give an initial opinion. What I was concerned about did not become an issue at all. I am so impressed at how well these fit. You aren't going to be able to hear it on camera, but when you pull these out, they literally have a suction fit in here. There's even like a pop when you pull it out. The tolerance is so good. So that I was very impressed by. The only issue I found, which really is an issue, it's just something to keep in mind, is that on the back here where the screw goes through, you have that little hole right there. Well, it was catching on my tool rest. So what that forced me to do is pull the tool rest back further than is probably recommended. However, it was the only way to prevent it from kind of catching, and it was throwing me off. So once you got past that point, it was awesome. The other issue I was concerned about with using is that you wouldn't be able to have enough extension that this little nut was going to hit your tool rest. That was not an issue at all, and I'm sure you saw that in the video. So all in all, any concern I had did not become a concern at all. Overall, I am very impressed, and this was definitely worth the money. I'm actually in the process of making my own carbide tools right now, but I love having this set right here. It's very convenient. One handle, but 5 tools. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Until next time, you take care.